Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. When you care for someone more than they deserve, you get hurt more than you deserve. Sometimes all you can do is smile, move on with your day, hold back the tears and pretend you are okay. I wish I could give you my pain just for one moment, not to hurt you, but so that you could finally understand how much you hurt me. It hurts when you have someone in your heart, but you cannot have them in your arms. It hurts when you are being ignored by the person whose attention is the only thing you want in the world. When love is real, it does not lie, cheat, pretend, hurt you, or make you feel unwanted. It's supposed to be a cure to all your worries. It hurts when you realize you are not as important to someone as you thought you were. The worst feeling in the world is when you can't love anyone else because your heart still belongs to the one who broke it. Maybe one day you will see what you did to me. When I am with you, I feel safe from the things that hurt me inside. I try to not to miss you. I try to let go, but in the end you are always on my mind. I learned that people leave even if they have promised 1,000 times that they want. Most relationships fail because one person was being loved too much and the other was not being loved enough. It sucks when you know that you need to let go, but you cannot because you are still waiting for the impossible to happen. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.